Hello everyone, I am Pankaj, Planted Industrial Park Pune. Welcome to our Hire India Live.
And hundreds of millions of families from over 100 countries and regions. According to the statistic data provided by Euromonitor International, Haier has defended its position as the best seller among the global large household appliance brands for the 10th time. The refrigerators, washing machines, freezers, water heaters, and interconnecting air conditioners produced by Haier have separately hold the first place in terms of the global market shares. Haier Smart Home, a subsidiary affiliated to Haier Group, has been ranked among the Fortune Global 500 companies. The 7-brand layout of Haier, Casarte, Leader, Aqua, Fisher & Paykel, GE Appliances, and Candy has offered a diversified smart home practical solution for people of different regions, cultures, and consumption levels across the world. In this context, Haier has become the single global top household appliances brand cluster with the most brands. This most internationalized company is establishing its position as a global leader for eco-brands.
Haier India, a 100% subsidiary of Haier Group, initiated its commercial operation in January 2004 and target to build up high efficiency, healthy, smart, stylish product in full range with comprehensive customer interaction and the continuous product iteration, provide best brand experience with high quality product and services. Haier has launched a wide range of innovative products in all major categories, including refrigerator, air conditioner, washing machine, TV, wine cellar, freezer, water heater, commercial air conditioner, and microwave ovens.
In the year 2004, when Haier was established in India, ever since the beginning of Haier's journey in India, the numbers have grown steadily and significantly, thanks to its rent and high model of local execution.
Haier India has won many awards, like in 2015 Made in India Award and Annual Product Award. In 2016, we ranked in Most Trusted Brand list.
For manufacturing competency, from 2007, Haier India initiated local production. After more than 10 years development, Haier India has 2 industrial parks right now and further planning Southern Industrial Park in 2025.
Pune Industrial Park built in 2017 with a having of manufacturing capacity of 3.8 million sets per annum. This includes all of our factories, refrigerator, air conditioner, washing machine, TV and water heater. And after introduction of Industrial Park, we have achieved the milestone of 1 million refrigerator within 8 months on 27th August 2018.
In Pune, this is the first time that Haier India reached the capacity of 1 million units of refrigerators, and it has been achieved in just 8 months. With this momentum, by the end of 2018, the capacity of Haier India Pune plant will double that of 2017 and break the largest annual production record of all Haier's overseas refrigerator plants. Within 2018, the Pune refrigerator factory will enable a production capacity of 1.3 million units for Haier India.
Also, let's see a brief video for another industrial park in the north of India, Noida Industrial Park.
Industrial Park of Uttar Pradesh, India, 50 kilometers from New Delhi, which lies on the other side of the Yamuna River. The total area of the project is about 500,000 square meters. The total building area is 280,000 square meters. Total investment is expected to reach $420 million. It will become one of the largest industrial park of home appliances in India. Phase 1 of the project will cover a land of 380,000 square meters and have construction area of 210,000 square meters. The first part of Phase 1, which is planned to be put into operation in 2020, includes dormitory, production area and store area, with production capacity of 2 million refrigerators, 1,500,000 washing machines and 1 million air conditioners.
Haier India having the strength of 38 numbers, well qualified and experienced staff in R&D team. This includes all of our product, refrigerator, AC, washing machine, TV and water heater. Now coming to the infra in R&D, we are having 3 labs in refrigerator and all are NABL accredited. With those, we can test 18 products at a time. The same way, we are having the NABL accredited psychrometry lab in AC, which we can use for all the reliability as well as performance tests for the BE certification. Washing machine has the ability to develop localized differentiated product under the global unified platform. In a product also, water heater has obtained industry's first shockproof patent which secure the user's safety.
Haier Refrigerator is world #1 brand for 12 consecutive years. We have strong knowledge, we have advanced technology and rich experience on the product in this industry. Now let's have a look at Haier Refrigerator export model lineup.
Yeah, this is true credential of our product. We can see we have full lineup for export market. We have single door as well as double door series. In double door, we have further classified it top mount and bottom mount. Yeah. Now talking about 170 series, this is our basic model. This price is very aggressive for market. That's why we called it fighter model. Now come to 170 liter series. In 170 liter, we have monocolor design and stylish door. During design, we have taken care for the aesthetic look, and this is 182 liter and this is 192 liter and this is 192 again, the stylish door end cap and handle. In this series, we have added the chrome plating so that the aesthetic will be very attractive, and we have added again so many attractive flower here also here. In this series, we can find single monocolor, PCM door and flower steel also. And additional to this model, we have added glass door also. In this series, no other brand provide glass door, but we have given glass door also, and we have many aesthetic and attractive design in glass door also.
The new, smart and energy efficient way of keeping your food fresh. Haier single door direct cooled refrigerator. It comes with diamond edge freezing technology, a handlebar and a curved notch, stabilizer free operation, toughened glass shells, a bright LED light, thick puff insulation, separate base drawer.
Now let's move on to the direct cool, bigger size direct cool single door refrigerators. In this series, we have 195 liters and 220 liter segment. In this series, we have features of plain door, PCM door, floral color designs and the glass door designs. The main feature of this series is 1 hour icing technology. This is because of we have given internal long condenser design and more foam thickness door and cabinet. Because of this, we get lower thermal conductivity and more cooling power in the freezer box. So with this feature, customers can make quick ice within 1 hour in the summer.
Hello friends, now come to our top mount series. In this series, we have given 4 capacity, that 258, 278, 310 and 347. In this series, we have convertible model in 258 and 278. Let's have a look that in convertible mode, that freezer section can be a fridge as per customer requirement. In this series, again we have given steel door as well as glass door, and entire model will be stabilizer free operation. No need to worry about fluctuation and power cut. In this series, we have given 4 operation. Customer can use super freezer when they need quick freezing, and this is the normal operation. Refrigerator and freezer both will work as a common platform. And energy saving, when customer visits somewhere for 1 week or 2 days, 3 days, that time energy saving mode will be the best option to save power. And our final interesting option is convertible option. When customer require more fridge area, that time customer can move to convertible, and this area will be fridge, not freezer. And again we have given this cool pad. This cooling pad helps to retain the cooling. When power cut is there, that time customer no need to have worry, because this will retain cooling around 10 hours. This is our bottom mount series. You can say this fridge on top, freezer in down. That is why we called it bottom mount. In this series, we have two capacity. This is one is 320, another is 345. In this model, we have used compressor, inverter, and fan motor also inverter. That is why we called it twin inverter. And in this model, customer can save more energy. Again, this area, if you see the vegetable box, this is double size vegetable box. Because of compressor has moved to down area, we have utilized this space for vegetable keeping, and you can find double size. And in this model, this is the higher first time introduced in India. Before that, no other brand has bottom mount series. This is our tagline, "Jhukna mana hai." That means no need to bend, because we have given fridge area on top side, customer can maximum utilize here. So 90% bending can be reduced. That is why this is our very interesting and pioneer model for Indian market as well as international market. Haier is the only brand to provide you highly stylish full glass in entire model. We can find DC, double door, single door, top mount, bottom mount. In almost all range, we have provided glass door. This is our specialty in Haier brand.
We have briefly introduced all our export model lineup. For more details, please feel free to contact us through Contour Fair official website, or you can also reach us at www.haier.com. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now let's see our washing machine export lineup of TL. Haier washing machine is world #1 washing machine brand for 10 consecutive years. We have strong power and advanced experience on washing machine industry.
Yes, that's true. As you can see, we are having full lineup for export for top loading models. Haier new model adopt rear control design, which is ergonomic, enabling you to easily operate your washing machine without bending over after washing. When you take out the clothes, you don't need to worry about the water splashing on the control panel, and also it prevents electric shock.
Wow, incredible design. The rear control panel can perfectly solve my problem.
Rear control, all 678 series models are having this kind of feature.
I have one more question. You said people have higher demand of clothes comfort and quality, right? So do I. I like to wear real silk clothes, but they are really hard to care. My washing machine already hurts several one. What should I do?
That's really a very nice question, but at the same time, sorry to hear that. But I think we can help you in this. This machine is also equipped with Oceanus wave drum. That is having an innovative design, which we can say it is a pillow shaped design. With this pillow shaped design, this is giving a massaging care to the clothes. In order to protect delicate clothes, each dewatering hole is accurately positioned to the most concave place. The diameter of the dewatering hole is around 2.2 mm, and the ultra small dewatering hole can avoid clothes wearing and tear. So let's do an experiment to visualize this.
What experiment?
Here is a piece of silk sari cloth. You can slide it across the drum and you can see what exactly is your reaction.
Okay, let me try. Wow, that's amazing. There is no thread coming out of this cloth. It is as same as before. So I think I really need not to care about my expensive clothes now.
Yeah, that's right. And all the top loading washing machine are equipped with the same kind of feature of Oceanus wave drum.
Oh, that's great. I have one more question. Generally it gets hurt while closing the top lid and we need to take too much precautions to close the lid.
With this washing machine, you don't have that problem anymore. The soft closing top lid design assists to close the cover, no matter how heavy the tempered glass cover it is. It can be opened and closed freely, and it can also prevent hands from being pinched.
Let me try.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. It's very safe to use and it will not hurt to anyone, not even small kids.
Now let's move to our export model lineup for twin tub. As you can see, we are having full lineup for export for twin tub models.
Yes, that's true. We can see the complete lineup.
All higher new lineup is having toughened glass, which is very durable and strong.
I have one more question. Is this washing machine also coming with the same feature like say, fully automatic?
Yes, all toughened glass series models are having the same soft fall technology in both the sides. You can see in wash side and also in spin side. It is also very light in weight and can be lifted only with one finger.
Let me try. Wow, that's great. It will not hurt anyone and even small kids. I have one more question. I cannot see control in this washing machine.
As you can see, controls are under this lid. This lid is used for protecting the controls by water splashing. You can see this, it is also giving a very decent look to the machine.
Wow, that's great. It's a good design.
Yes. Also, this washing machine is equipped with two types of lint filter. You can see inside. This lint filter is used to clean all the lint which is coming from clothes.
So, overall, Haier washing machine is a good package in terms of design, quality and performance.
Since laundry had so much fun, now relaxing shower will be important.
Yes, but it is annoying when cut off power each time the hot water ran out quickly with water heater power off.
Indeed, many people encounter the same problem. Today, there is no need to unplug the water heater before shower. We can take shower and the heating the water at the same time.
Amazing. Safety is the most important factor to me when choosing the water heater.
Don't worry, Haier water heater equipped with protected shockproof technology, protecting our safety under certain situations like electric leakage, earthing leakage, unit body electric leakage or heating element wear out.
Wow, that's amazing. I can't believe that we can wash hand and take bath safely even existing electric leakage.
Yes, in fact, Haier shockproof water heater had protected over 100 million families. Haier shockproof water heater is #1 seller in storage water heater category since last 8 consecutive years. We have 4 global R&D centers and 9 independent factories.
That is incredible. The quality of the product must be great from these production lines.
Right, our products conform with UMC 3-layer ultra micro coating tank which conform DIN standard. Okay. PU foam insulation, copper and SS inlet and outlet pipes is an excellent anti-corrosive material which ensures product inner hygiene and healthy shower. Finally, almost all our products approve 4-year warranty on product components and 7-year replacement warranty on inner tank. This warranty is applicable only for selective models.
Excellent product. Haier water heater must be expensive.
Not at all. Depending on different family requirements, we have different series. We have 15 and 25 liter ABS square model series named as SPA, 50 liter product, size width 390 mm by 390 mm by 330 mm width. 40 HQ container holds 858 quantity. Let me show you the complete water heater series. This T1 series available, this T1 horizontal series available in 50 and 25 liter model. This is vertical series available in 10, 50 and 25 vertical. The features are 8 bar rated pressure, UMC tank and RAC technology. Okay. Let's come to the flower PCM. This is a color FR series. We call this color FR series. This is also available in 15 and 25 liter horizontal and this model is available in 10, 50 and 25 vertical. This is our electric instant series 3 liter. This is available in both white and ivory color. This is a 6 liter series. This model is 10 liter ABS model. Now I will show you the big output model. This model with capacity 50 and 100 liter and all our products are shockproof water heaters.
Wow, that's great. Haier water heater product range is very good and it is a complete range. But I heard some people are showering whose skin feels itches. Do you know any product can solve this problem?
It is related to shower water. After long-term use of water heater, bacteria arises inside the tank. There is a BPS feature. You activate the BPS feature, it will kill 99% bacteria by heating the water up to 80 degrees Celsius. This feature is automatically available with SPA digital Wi-Fi series.
So it can definitely good for us.
Yes, Haier water heater is very good, whether in terms of appearance, quality and safety. Also looks pretty with square appearance to meet all kinds of hot water needs.
Wow, that's perfect. I am looking forward to get one.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome. Let me introduce myself, Milind Patil, in charge of Haier India TV Factory.
Hello, myself Avi Satpute from R&D TV division.
Now let's see our TV export lineup. TV quality after sales service in the industry is leading.
Yes, that's true. As you can see, we have complete lineup for export from 32 inch to 65 inch K6600 series. That's a Google series. First of all, let's see the external design. It's a slimless, it's a bezel-less, and it's a latest version Google 9.0 with Google Play Store.
Show me my schedule.
Search for sitcoms.
What's the weather like in London today?
In London, Monday, they'll be partly cloudy with high 72 and low 57.
How far away is it to the moon?
The moon is 238,900 miles from the Earth.
Okay, Avi, what are his main function point?
There are 4 main functional points in this series. First of all, AI Smart Voice by Google Assistant. Press the Google Assistant button on the remote and speak directly to the Android TV. You can launch apps, pause, stop or resuming playback of video. If you want to increase or decrease the volume, you just say louder or softer. For example, to increase volume, say louder. See, like this. Louder.
Okay.
Second, you can access Netflix and YouTube by one-touch remote control. You can access 500K plus TV shows and movies. Android TV gives you your shows your movies and your apps in one place, so you can enjoy endless entertainment on your Android TV. With Haier TV, you can Chromecast the video from your mobile to your Android TV with just one click button and enjoy the large screen experience just like the cinema hall. Let's see the demo. It is a IoT control smart home devices through your home to adjust room temperature, lighting and control other connected devices. Press the Google Assistant button on the remote and then ask your assistant to control smart home devices. Let's see the demo of Wi-Fi light. Make light on. Make light off.
Now we have briefly introduced all our export models. For more detail, please feel free to contact us through the Canton Fair official website, or you can also check our product page. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to AC Hall. Now let's see our air conditioner export lineup. And let me introduce myself. I am Ajit Pandey, in charge of Haier India AC factory.
Hello everyone, myself Chirantan Mitra. I will present all Haier India air conditioners and answer all your questions. This is our column series, which is also known as the vertical series. Then next is our PuriCool series. This is also known as Z series. Then we have the FlexiCool series. Then we have the CleanCool series. And then we have the TurboCool series.
Well, Mr. Mitra, as you know, the world is suffering with a very serious disease of COVID-19. And this disease spreads through air. Air conditioner is a machine related to absorbing and releasing air. Is there any method to avoid this COVID-19?
Yes, as the #1 appliance brand of the world, we have the responsibility to help more people and countries to prevent COVID-19. Haier not only provides cooling function air conditioner, but also is a specialist in providing healthy air solutions.
Wow, that's good. Could you give us a detailed introduction?
Okay, let us see our air conditioner lineup. This is our column series air conditioner, also known as VertiCool series. It is the industry's first column air conditioner that can match different styles of decorations. Besides its gorgeous design, what is more worth mentioning is its 963 mm air outlet. Oh. And you know, more air outlet allows more powerful cooling experience.
Wow, it's look very fashionable, Mr. Mitra. But what about its performance?
Oh yes, our dealers in India told that it gives a new definition to drawing room air solution. It can also be the best choice for some small commercial shops, especially in some countries like Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. And we have scheduled to launch this model to Bangladesh and Sri Lanka next year.
Haier, healthy air provider.
Now let us move to Z series, which is also known as PuriCool series. Z series is our flagship model, production in 2019, featuring self-purified technology. The air purification works while the air conditioner is on, allowing user to enjoy cool, fresh air at the same time. And for regarding COVID-19, JED All Clean system can protect you from COVID-19 and provide you healthy air. Self clean, self purify, self hygiene. We call it All Clean system. Now I will tell you what self clean is. Self clean lowers the evaporator temperature that will frost the surface. The frost on the surface will generate strong cold expansion force to remove the dust on the surface of the evaporator and then wash it away with defrosting. Now I will tell you what self purify is. Coming to self purify, our higher Puricool or Z series applies self purify and self cruise technology, which contains super IFD filter. The purification effect reach clean air delivery rate up to 300 meter cube per hour, and the sterilization rate is more than 99%, and which is issued by a testing organization TUB and SGS. The effect area is very reliable. Consumers can rest assured that choose to use. And this is equal to AC with purifier as well as sterilizer. Now super IFD filters does not need to be replaced. It can be washed and used permanently, saving the cost of replacing the filter. And also if you do not want to use this IFD filter, we have the option of HEPA filter. The HEPA filter can remove PM.03 and traps harmful particles such as pollen and dust mites. So with this air conditioner, you no longer have to worry. All of this can prevent COVID-19 and offer you healthy air.
Perfect. I need one for my home.
Oh, sure, sir. Now let us come to FlexiCool series. In FlexiCool series, we have another way to prevent COVID-19. We have the UV ray, and we put UV ray on Flexi type. UV germaceutical lamp device equipped at the indoor produces ultraviolet ray of 254 nanometer wavelength, which can be easily absorbed by cellula. Then the energy of UV ray makes photochemical action with the DNA of bacteria. This leads to its DNA heteromorphosis, so killing bacteria and preventing their rebirth. The UV ray have a special high efficiency of bacterial effect in the air, water and surface of material.
I understand, but is there any effect of this UV rays on user's body?
No, there is no such effect on the human body or user body. Some places have already used it, like Hong Kong airport.
Okay.
Let us come to our basic inverter series, which is CleanCool series. CleanCool series, its main function is self-clean, and we use Tundra platform, which is much more competitive than the old Nebula platform. Now Sri Lanka are using this series, and next year Bangladesh is also use this series. And what is self-clean? Now I will explain. As we all know, dust accumulates on the evaporator unit of air conditioner during usage. After a period of time, it will get worse and bring problems such as bacteria growth and airflow reduction. So for family health, the evaporator needs to be cleaned regularly. But manual cleaning requires a separate cost, and it is very cumbersome too. So we have an air conditioner that can clean the evaporator by itself. That is higher CleanCool series AC. So this CleanCool series can help us solve this problem. The dirt on the evaporator is stripped off by strong cold expansion technology, which is generated by frosting and washed away in defrosting. Besides this, nano silver ion coating, the antibacterial efficiency is up to 99.9% is added to the evaporator fins. With this air conditioner, you no longer have to worry about health problems caused by evaporator pollution. So and also this saves the cost of manual cleaning, saving money and health. With this air conditioner, you no longer have to worry about the health problems caused by evaporator pollution. also it saves the cost of manual cleaning, saving money and health.
Okay, understand.
This is our basic fixed speed AC. It's the most cost effective type of India factory. Its main function is 1 minute insta chill, up to 15-meter long air throw, and cooling at extreme temperature of 54 degrees Celsius. Now India and Sri Lanka both are using this type, and we have planned to launch it in Bangladesh next year. So this is our air conditioner export lineup.
Oh, quite impressive. Friends, I am confident you will find this air conditioner lineup attractive. To assure you all, these are highly energy efficient and reliable products made with utmost care and quality. Thank you.